You can easily make a delicious and hearty vegetarian casserole using Quorn pieces. They absorb the flavor of the sauce and vegetables well. Here is a general approach and a few popular ideas. General Quorn casserole method. Sauté aromatics. In a large pan or casserole dish, heat some oil and gently cook chopped onions, garlic, and other aromatics, like celery or leeks, until soft. Brown Quorn. Optional but recommended. Add the Quorn pieces and cook them for a few minutes with the vegetables. This helps them get a little color and begin to absorb flavor. Add vegetables. Stir in your chosen casserole vegetables. Harder vegetables like carrots and potatoes should be cut into bite-sized pieces. Add liquid base. Pour in your liquid, usually vegetable stock, chopped tinned tomatoes, tomato passata, and maybe a splash of wine or cream, dairy or non-dairy. Seasoning and herbs. Add herbs and spices, e.g. bay leaf, thyme, oregano, paprika, mustard powder, salt, and pepper. Simmer and thicken. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and simmer on the stovetop, or transfer to a preheated oven. Quorn cooking time. Quorn pieces cook relatively quickly, about 10-15 minutes. The total cooking time for the casserole will be determined by how long it takes for the harder vegetables, carrots, potatoes, etc., to become tender. This can take anywhere from 20 to 60 minutes, depending on the vegetable size and heat. Tip: if you're using harder root vegetables, you may want to pre-cook them slightly or use smaller pieces. Serve. Enjoy your casserole with mashed potatoes, rice, crusty bread, or herby dumplings. Popular casserole ideas. Hearty winter stew. Use a rich vegetable stock base with chunky carrots, potatoes, celery, and mushrooms. Thicken the sauce with a corn flour slurry or a little flour before baking, simmering, and season with bay leaves and thyme. Mediterranean casserole. Use tinned chopped tomatoes, red and green peppers, courgette, zucchini, onions, garlic, and a stock cube. Season with oregano, basil, and a pinch of chili flakes. Stir in olives or cannellini beans near the end. Curried or Moroccan-inspired casserole. Use a tomato base with vegetable stock, sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and a blend of spices like cumin, coriander, turmeric, and paprika. Finish with a handful of fresh coriander, cilantro. Cheesy casserole bake, like a hot pot. Combine the Quorn pieces with a creamy sauce, made with vegetable stock and dairy-taught non-dairy cream or milk, maybe a touch of mustard, and cover the top with sliced potatoes or a crumble of cheese breadcrumbs before baking.